Everyone, how are you guys? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So friends, in this video I am going to talk about villager. So friends, because being a villager, I know that what kind of things they have in their mind, but they do not think that means through this video I want to convey my all the message to all the villager. I know that in village area, most of the student, most of the girl or boys, they want to do something in their life, but because of their situation, because of their environment, they are unable to fulfill their desire. They are unable to think about their dreams. So through this video, I want to share my message to all the villagers. Okay, friends, so this video is going to be very helpful and very knowledgeable. So I hope that you will be stay till the very end so that you can find out your dreams, you can find out your why, you can find out your way of living. Okay friends, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. As I have told you that being a village girl, I can understand the feeling of those all village girl who lives in village area. Even in my village, I look those all girl who are studying these days, but after completing 12th, their parents not allowed to study ahead of 12th. Why they think like this? They think that they have completed 12th, so after completing uh, we will have to get married of our children. So they think like this. So tell me one thing, if girls are made for only marriage, tell me these things. I am also after listening about these all things, I feel scared. What is going to be happen in this country, in this village? Why people are not thinking that uh, our life's motive is not only for getting married? Why villagers think that if children has complete their 18 years, so they are able to get married and they get married? So why they think like this? You know what, I most of the time I see girls, village girl, they are working, they are just working. I know that they have so many dreams, but because of their parents, because of their all around environment, they are not able to think about their dreams. So friends, through this video I want to share my thoughts that please do not live for others, live your life for yourself. You have to do something in your life. Why always you forget to your life? You, why you always live for others? Uh, why do you always convey your parents? Why do you always think about your parents? Why do you always listen to your parents? You are able to know about you. Please think about yourself, because friends, in this era, this is not old era, this is modern era, and you have to live life for yourself. You have to fight for yourself, not for others. Think that think, just imagine that whatever dreams you have in your mind, imagine that if you will completed those all dreams, so what happen with you? What will happen with you? Just imagine that if you will completed your all dreams, so one day, you know what, you will get married with your choice. Okay, so in this time you don't have anything, you have nothing this time. So whatever your parents say to you, you will have to listen them. But after achieving your goals, after achieving your dreams, they, your parents will listen to you what you say. So do something different in your life, and do something, and do work for your dreams. Do not forget that you are a human being and you are not made only for getting married. Tell me one thing, is our life is only for getting married? No, no, this is not right way. You are able to think about yourself, you are educated. Why always you forget that I have completed my 12th, I am a girl, and girl cannot do anything. Most I am saying about village girl. Village girl, most of the time they think that I am a village girl, I cannot do anything. What is the difference between village girl or cities areas girls? They have two eyes, you have two eyes. They have two hands, you have two hands. They are a human being, you are a human being. So what are the difference between your between village girl or cities girl? There are no any difference. Different is there in your mind. You have said that I am a village girl, I cannot do anything, and cities girl they think that I am a girl and I have to do something in our life. They think about their future and you don't think about your future. You think about your parents, you listen your parents, whatever your parents say to you. So through this video making I am trying to make you understand that life is full of challenges. So there is no any doubt that after getting married you will become success in your life. I am not saying that after getting married you will have happy. I am not saying that. Life is full of challenges. So first of all, see your future, make your future, and after that think about marriage. Okay, friends, so I am just telling about my village girl. My village girl are, are doing something, this kind of things. After thinking about that work, I feel very angry. Why they are educated, they have degree after 12. So why they are not thinking about their self? Why they are not thinking about their future? First, make your future, and after that, think about your future. Think about your marriage. I hope that all will be understanding whatever I am saying. So, friends, being a girl, I request to all of you that please, please, please do not uh, stop your education, do not stop your learning. Always keep learning and keep it in your mind that if you stop learning this time, so in the future if you will not think about your future in this time, so in the future time you will have to regret after thinking about your past. Okay, I hope that all are understanding. So being a girl, I am also village girl, and I request to all of you girl, all who are watching this video, please do not stop your learning. Please do not think that I am a girl, I have completed my education, so now I should get married. I am not uh, I am not saying that marriage is not good. It is good, but before that, please achieve something in your life so that in future your life uh, could secure. You don't need to depend on anyone in the future. I would like to say that please work for yourself. First, be self dependent, and after that, think about other things. Okay, friends. So, because in this era, I am looking so many pupils who are not, so many women, so many girls who are not self dependent and they are getting married. So, I think so after looking this era, after looking whatever is going on around us, I am sure that there is no doubt that in the future their life will be great. If they are depend on any person, they have to ask for money, they have to, if they have to buy something, if they have to do something, so they have to ask for money to their husband. So first of all, I want to say that please do not depend on any person. This is the motive of this video. I am just trying to make you understand that before getting married or before thinking about others, please think about yourself and be self-dependent, because you are a girl. And girl, all the girls should be self-dependent, must be self-dependent. We don't need to be depend on any person, because we have power. Please know your power. What can you do? You can do everything. So know your power and try to implement those all things. Try to you know just think about your dreams and achieve your dreams. Work for your dreams and achieve. Self depend is most important in this era. So be self dependent. Do not depend on any person. Do not depend on your parents. Do not depend on your brother. Do not depend on your husband. Self depend. Keep it in your mind. Okay friends, so this was the motive of this video. I hope that you all have understood whatever I was saying. So friends, if you are new here, if you have learned something new from this video, so please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Meet in the next video. Okay, bye. Okay, okay friends, till then take care.